And even Obama suspended his campaign and went back to the White House to mobilize the Navy, to mobilize the Army, to mobilize the National Guard, to begin evacuation, what we call adaptation. Prepare the people of New York and New Jersey about the coming hurricane, because it was meant to be the big, and it was the biggest hurricane this planet has ever seen. And because of all those efforts, the lives lost during the hurricane was only 180 something. Now, let me now talk about the eye of the storm, because sometimes when we talk about these things, some of us say, well, thank God we don't have this kind of problem. The eye of the storm